Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from Techjet. In this video I'll be unboxing the Maono AU-100. And if you remember this video in which I unboxed the Maono AU-104, which was a condenser microphone, definitely go check that out and come back to this video. So I'll be unboxing this mic and stay tuned for the review. It should be coming very soon on this channel. So let's start unboxing this. So this is the microphone when you get it out of the box. So you can see there are many things over here right now. So let's get into it. So over here you can see many things. Let me take out the plastic covering, and over here you can see a little 6-meter audio cable, a 6-meter long audio cable lavalier microphone. So let me take this out. So as I take this out, you can see that this is the main microphone. So you can see that this is the microphone, and you can see that this is the plug for putting in the microphone into the jack, and this is the 6-meter long audio cable for the lavalier microphone. Except that we have a few other things too. We can see that there's a small pouch bag by the company Maono which provided this microphone, and you can keep the different things over here. Over here there's also some silica gel which came in the packet, and you can see that there's one small lithium ion battery within the bag. And continuing to it, over here you can also see that there's a small lithium ion battery which literally goes into this, which does amplification, and you can see that there's a small button over here for on and off. And over here you can see a small foam piece which you can put into the microphone, which is right over here. So you can put it over here, and also you can see that you can open this. So there's a big connector for putting it into a camera, and you can remove it and have a 3.5mm headphone jack coming out. So you can see that there's a lot of stuff going around in this microphone. So this is basically it, which comes in the Maono AU-100 unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. Definitely go subscribe and try to make us reach 50 subs before the end of 2020. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.